Hello, my name is Ronak Basu, and I'm an assistant professor in the School of City and Regional Planning at Georgia Tech. I lead the No Heat initiative at Georgia Tech. Through the No Heat initiative, we partner with public agencies and community-based organizations to think about ways to mitigate extreme heat exposure for people who walk, bike, and use public transportation. For example, if you're walking along a sidewalk without any shade or trees, that can feel very different from standing at a bus stop with a shelter that provides you with shade. So we work with these different partners in different cities, including Atlanta and many other cities across the US, to understand how people who walk, bike, and use public transportation are exposed to dangerous levels of heat, as well as ideate and implement heat mitigation interventions that we then try out using pilots. The Cool Routes app is a decision support tool that allows people to choose what kinds of routes they want to prioritize. So we have these conventional navigation recommendation systems like Google Maps or Apple Maps. They provide information on the shortest or the fastest routes to get from point A to point B. But that isn't always reflective of the safety and comfort along these routes, which people do care about a lot. Through the first rollout of the Cool Routes app, we want to support a use case that allows people to go and watch football games as part of the FIFA World Cup without having to depend on a taxi or driving. We'll have millions of visitors along with residents who are going to be going to enjoy these games, but they may not have information on the coolest or the greenest routes. Now, the World Cup games are going to be hosted in the summer, and it does get very hot in many parts across the US. So we want to support people being able to choose to walk, bike, or use public transportation to and from these stadiums with the help of the Cool Routes app. So for example, you can see that people can choose which gate of the stadium they want to use as their entry or exit point. We can also look at nearby bus stops and train stations, thereby allowing people to choose their access or egress routes from the stadiums.
Hi, I'm Kate Lee, and I've been working on the Cool Routes app for the No Heat initiative. When you first open the app, you can select a city from the drop-down. The map will automatically center on your selection, and a boundary will appear showing the area where routing is available. Before creating a route, you can customize your settings. Here you can adjust the distance unit, temperature unit, and map style to match your preferences. You can also toggle different map layers on or off to explore additional data. Now let's create a route. To enter your start and destination, you can click directly on the map to fill in the selected input box. You can also choose a point from the map layers or type in a location and select it from the drop-down. You can easily swap your start and destination points and even add up to 4 total stops along the route. Next, you can choose your travel mode. The app supports walking and biking. Then you can select one or more route preferences. You can hover over each option for a quick description or click that icon to learn more. When you're ready, you can click Show Routes to generate your routes. The right panel displays all the available routes. Click on any route to view more detailed information, including how much cooler it is, and step-by-step directions which appear on the left sidebar. To start over or explore new options, you can change anything in the bar and press Show Routes again, or click Clear Routes to start over from scratch. To learn more about our project and our team, you can refer to the top banner and click on the About page. And if you want to know more about the features our app has to offer and also step-by-step guidance on how to use the app, you can go to the Features page.
So that was a quick demo of the Cool Routes app. We do plan on expanding this to cover entire cities and roll this out to many other cities beyond the 10 that we have highlighted in this first rollout. We hope this app is useful to you, and we encourage people to use it so that more people can watch football games and enjoy the magic of soccer without having to depend on taking a car or a taxi. Let's enjoy soccer together in a safe, comfortable, and sustainable manner. Thank you.